timing is apt as Tunisia takes over presidency of UN Security Council. Israel Defense Minister favored buying one more F-35 squadron for now. Egypt urges Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam agreement ahead of reservoir filling. Turkey under pressure over funds to treat a rare disease. Taiwan says Chinese jets made record 380 incursions in 2020. Outcry in Sri Lanka over cremations of Muslim coronavirus victims. The European Union has called on Iran to refrain from undermining nuclear deal. Second round of intra-Afghan talks being held in Doha today on Tuesday.